The INFANS Foldable Baby Walker is a versatile 3-in-1 product that adapts to your child's developmental needs, transforming from a walker to an activity center and a push-along toy. Safety is a priority with this walker, featuring a stable base and 6 anti-slip pads to prevent accidental tipping, ensuring your little one's security during their early steps. The walker is designed to grow with your child, offering 3 adjustable height settings to accommodate children from 7 to 24 months old. Parents will appreciate the convenience of the washable padded seat, which provides comfort for the baby and can be easily cleaned to maintain hygiene. Interactive toys and a removable music tray keep your child entertained, stimulating their senses and encouraging play and learning. This walker folds flat for easy storage and transport, making it an ideal choice for families on the go, while its high-quality materials ensure durability and safety.